etch the tablets alive. Measured off closely at 3.125. Fractional wisdom, precise yet implicit. The circles are drawn but perfection resisted. Precision eluded, Egyptians persisted. Papyrus unveiled, mathematics assisted. New calculations, their fractions eclipsed it. Pi now approaching 3.1605. It gave way to the dawn when Archimedes arrived.
The polygons drawn in tight angles derived. The angles refined, but his precision attained. Pi sits between fractions, Archimedes explained.
I boxed it with polygons, the precision constrained. The bounds were reversed, then tightly retained. Between
3 and 1070 first to 3 and 1070 ifs it's been contained.
Liu Hui in China broke the form wide, 192 sides pi, redefined decimals sharp and the curve got clean. 3.141 locked in a scheme. Madhapata rose from the Indian mind, gave 3.1416 in time, digits aligned with a sacred grace, carved in a rhythm through lunar space.
Europe revived and the scholars advanced. Eula stepped in with infinite chance. Summations flowed, the series grew wild. Patterns unraveled, digit by digit compiled. Ramanujan strokes, divine and insane. Formulas flooded the numerical plane. Endless expressions, beauty unchained. And still that slice of perfection remains.
Scrolls gave way to machine-born light. Digits race through the circuit's flight. Still no pattern, no final guide. Just endless pi we chase worldwide.
Computing trajectories tight, orbit by orbit, pi locks in flight. Quantum states uncertain, precise. Pi at the root of the math that defines. Wheels in motion, the daily unseen. Pi in the blueprint coded machine. Perfect circle. A theoretical dream, reality blurs at the edge of the screen. Decimal reign, the digits persist. Billions extended, perfectionists miss. Measured, predicted, yet always belaying. The edge of forever where pi is displayed.
No final digit, no pattern aligns. Just more divisions, recursive signs. From clay to code, the trail we ride. Each step brings us closer than it slides.
Logic unstable, the circles of fable. Chaos encoded in patterns unstable. Fragments of order collapse in the sum. Symmetry slipping through what we've become. Infinite riddles that never align. Truth packed in digits that fracture through time. Endless illusions, recursive delusions. Infinite fusions will fracture conclusion. Chaotic intrusions and logical unions. Lost in the loops of compounded confusions. Conclusions elusive, digits abusive. Endlessly twisting, persistently useless. Patterns refusing all structure solutions. Mathematic goes that they're moving conclusive. Panic reflection through fractured dimensions. Infinite sections and mirrored projection. Pi intersections of file detection. Codes in the spiral escape comprehension. Equations are stored as infinity bends. Recursion begins where the number line ends.
Every new digit a doorway disguised, pulling us deeper where logic is blind.
Proofs turn to paradox, constants dissolve. Nothing remains but the urge to resolve.
Yet round we return, still trying